Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us continue the lesson, his first flight. In our previous session we came to know that the little seagull was not ready to fly, so his whole family left him alone on the ledge. And the next day he saw his parents, they were giving training to his brothers and sister in order to become perfect in flying in flight. And in order to draw the attention of his parents, he stood on one leg, he closed his eyes, he did all these things, but his parents did not give any concentration towards him. His brothers, they were sleeping on the plateau, and his father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only mother was looking at him, and she was eating a bit of a fish. Here and there she used to thrust her neck forward and she used to take a piece of fish and she used to eat that. By seeing that, he became almost mad, he became very angry, and he wanted to eat food like that. Next, what had happened? Let us see now. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Cow, coal, aw. She screamed back derisively. Yes. Now he is screaming towards his mother, saying, ga, ga, ga. It means he is begging in his words, bird language. Okay. In the bird language manner, he is screaming towards his mother to bring him some food. In return, mother said, Gaw, coal, aw. She screamed back derisively. Derisively means in a manner showing someone that she or he is stupid. In return, she said, you are a stupid. Like that, she replied to the seagull. But he kept calling plaintively, but he continued his calling plaintively. Plaintively means in a sad manner, in a sorrowful manner. Still he was screaming. He is crying towards his, crying to his mother. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. After a minute, he became very happy. He is screaming with great joy now. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. Why he is screaming with joy means mother took a piece of fish and now she is coming towards him. He thought mother is coming to give that food to him. That's why he became very happy and he is screaming with joy. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. Yes, he leaned out eagerly. He bent eagerly and he tapping the rock with his feet. He's tapping. Tapping means what? Hitting or striking. He is hitting and or striking the rock with his feet. Almost he is jumping there. Trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. See here. Here ledge is there. And he is coming almost to the edge. He is at the almost edge of that ledge, so that he can get that food very easily. Mother is coming near to him. So he can get that food easily. Like that thinking, he came forward. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless. But when she was just opposite to him, very near to him, at that time, she stood there only. She is not coming forward. Her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within the reach of his beak. Yes, now the piece of fish which she carried in her beak, it is very near to this seagull. If he stretched his neck, he could get that. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. For a moment he waited and he thought why his mother is not coming towards him. He thought about that, and after that he maddened by hunger. He was very hungry, you know that. For last 24 hours he did not eat anything. That's why he was very hungry. So he dived at the fish. Now he could not wait still. So in order to get the piece of fish, he jumped towards his mother's beak. With a loud scream, he fell outward and downwards into space. Then what happened? He started to fall from here to, he started to fall down outside of the cliff and downside, towards the down, he is falling now. And then a monstrous terror seized him and his heart stood still. Yes, for a moment there was a monstrous terror. Monstrous means horrible. Yeah, monstrous means horrible. Suddenly he became frightened and his heart stood still. For a moment his heart stood still. Means he was very much afraid and his heart stopped its beating for 1 second. He could hear nothing, was not hearing anything, but it only lasted a minute. But this kind of fear, it was there only for a minute. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. Very next minute, he felt that his wings are opening, they are coming out. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. Now he is feeling that his wings are cutting the air. Like that feeling he is getting. He was not falling headlong now. When he fell earlier, that time his head was downside. You see that? Headlong means with the head first. Was falling, his head was downwards. Now his head is little upside. It means little flying motion, it is there. Yeah, he was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. Now he is soaring. Soaring means to fly a lot with little effort. With little effort, he is flying downside and outward. Outward means he is moving away from the cliff or that ledge. He was no longer afraid. Now he was not afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. He felt little dizzy. Dizzy means an uncomfortable feeling of spinning round and losing one's balance. For a moment he felt that he is losing his balance. He became dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Then he flapped his wings and he started to fly upside. Ga, 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 ga. Cow called or. His mother swooped past him. Yes, now mother, she came swiftly behind him and she was screaming. Ga, 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 ga. Cow called or. Probably she is appreciating him for flapping his wings and for flying. Her wings making a loud noise. Mother's wings, they were making loud noise. He answered her with other scream. Then this bird, small bird also, it answered him, his mother with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. Then his father also came towards him with screaming. He saw his brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Now his brothers and sister also came towards him with their different styles of flying. What kind of styles are there? See there. They were coming towards him with their curveting. Curveting means leaping like a horse, while flying only moving up and coming down like that. And banking. Banking means flying with one wing higher than the other. Flying with one wing higher than other. Like that. And soaring. Soaring means, already I have told you, to fly along with little effort. Slowly flying. And diving. Diving means flying up once and suddenly coming back. Like this, in a different styles. In different styles, his brothers and sister, they were coming towards him. So he is surrounded by his parents as well as his brothers and sisters, and all together they were flying now. Like this, the bird started his flying. Rest of the things let us see in the next session.